smokeless chimney using ChatGTP and Bard, the best flames on the net. If you ever want to write something, these large language models, ChatGTP is openai.com, and Bard is from Google. They can be used to help you out of a tough writing situation or just trying to be more productive. But there are definitely some problems using these. We'll explore these and more. Let's get started. We're going to run a few experiments. One to show how slow I type and how fast ChatGTP and Bard can type. I'm using the U.S. Constitution because it's a good reference. It's a wordy document. And I did this several times, and I came up with about 13 seconds to type this up. 315 words. That works out to 1,500 words per minute. Now, even the best person cannot type that fast. We're trying Bard out here, and the first time it stalled a little bit. I retyped it in exactly the same. And wow, does it come up with it fast. That was a couple of seconds. And that's impressive how fast that can type. So I proceed to copy it over to a Word file and count the words. .411 words in just a couple seconds. However, we have to incorporate the miscue. I came up with 878 words per minute. All right, I've got my prompt in ChatGTP, and we're going to prepare Arduino code to read a TSC 34725 sensor. Okay, it's done, and that was just a few seconds. We can see it includes the libraries. It has this. It has this. I would change that. Otherwise, it's very good code. I've got an Arduino IDE open here. I'm going to go copy the code. So you just click right here to copy. Go back and get the Arduino sketch, and we will paste it in. And I'm going to hit this compile button here. It compiled. Got the same prompt here. All right. So we've looked at ChatGTP and Bard to summarize the U.S. Constitution, and we've also looked at code. To wrap up this video, I had it make a little, and I'll read some of the points on here. ChatGTP and Bard are both large language models that have been trained on a massive data set of text and code. This means it can both generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. ChatGTP and Bard both are still under development, but have learned to perform many kinds of tasks. For example, ChatGTP can write poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters. Bard can answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. ChatGTP and Bard are both capable of generating human-quality text. However, there are some differences between the two models. For example, ChatGTP is better at generating creative text formats, while Bard is better at answering your questions in an informative way. ChatGTP and Bard are both being used by a variety of companies and organizations. For example, ChatGTP is being used by OpenAI to develop new products and services, while Bard is being used by Google to improve its search engine and other projects. Overall, ChatGTP and Bard are both large language models that have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. It will be interesting to see how these models develop in the future and what new applications they are used for. The potential benefits of using ChatGTP and Bard: these models could be used to improve customer service, create educational tools, and generate new creative context. The potential risks of using ChatGTP and Bard: these models could be used to spread misinformation, create harmful content, and violate people's privacy. The ethical considerations of using ChatGTP and Bard: it is important to consider the ethical implications of using these models, such as the potential for bias and discrimination. We just generated a video using ChatGTP and Bard, and I didn't do any editing. If you use ChatGTP and Bard, be sure to read everything and take things out. It types very fast, and you gotta look at what it says before you pass it on to someone else. That is what we wanted to tell you today. Thank you for watching. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.